Okay, so I was trying to find something in the prep room, and I was like, and I remembered, wasn't I going to be using the slingshot sling bow that I have that I'm able to use? And yeah, I found a couple things actually. This thing, which I don't want to say sell this anymore, but this is actually a really nice blade. Actually, there's no serrations for whatever you need. It's an Ozark Trail one. This wasn't originally a neck knife. I made it one though. So yeah, I'm like, well, what if I don't? Well, I need a better knife for processing and all this. So this one, my the eldest knockoff. You can tell it. Wow. Um, Lucky that's easy to clean. As you can see, yeah. I'll clean that in a minute. Then I said, you know what? Yeah, I do have a slingshot sling bow I can use. And here's the one I got from that I bought. It's not that. Now, by the way, in case y'all don't know, this is where you can do like your arrow, like arrow rest. So you can do this too. So yeah. Now, oh yeah, I decided to put in the this into the bag. This is like into this, since this is my take with me kit. Also, I decided to do a sewing kit slash emergency fishing kit. You know, for reasons, I guess. And yeah, it makes sense for me to carry the slingshot sling bow with me because arrows, arrow. These are more or less arrows, so yeah, and arrows, arrow, like well, you can use this as an arrow if you want to, I guess. I cannot get these off because I want to start getting this stuff off so I can. I just see I got that kind of off. Let me see if I can actually take this. I want to take some of this stuff off and have it ready and willing to use. This should be off already. Because I never got to show any of this stuff. So this is basically my using anyway. Wow, this is actually good adhesive actually. Actually, it's not really adhesive, it's something else. I don't know. So yeah. As you see? That goes on here. Wow. Oh dude. Yeah, that's really rusty. Uh Love it. Yeah. So yeah, when you do the spear, it's gonna look like that if this isn't off already. But yeah. It's actually oh, this is kind of thin. That's alright. So I can get this back on. Oh. What? Oh. Ah. Yeah. Yep. You know what? I need to touch up on this anyway. So let me get this out. And yeah, in case you don't know, if you order, like, they say that with all the, when you order the signature cards, they'll come with this, which is to fill sharpen. So yeah. I'm gonna sharpen this in a few. But I got a few things I can do. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I wonder. I wonder if I can actually sharpen this. And I just put it away. Great. Anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get uh I actually wish this was something too. But it's more or less to do this, like grab it and then I wanna get the oh, I didn't realize that. That little thing in the middle of that. I didn't realize that. Let's see if I can get this one. This is really good. Like whatever the crap. Yeah. Wait, can I get this out like this? No, I gotta get it like this, don't I? I don't know. I just want to see if I can actually put a thread in it. Huh. I really want to buy the Wanaya. I can't remember her name. I can't pronounce her last name. Oh, this is gonna be a pain in the butt. I want to get you. Come on, I want to get you out. See? God. Yep, it's short. You see that? It's short. How do I get it out of there? Stupid. Let me do this. I want you out, and that's it. Uh, yeah, screw it. Anyway, I got a little dachshund on my hand. Do I know how my first aid killed me? That sucks. Anyway, I'm using this one because I have another one that I got from the subscription. So, yeah. So you can do that, and then you do that. Pretty nice. God, this reminds me of like the okay, you know those like the toy ones? This reminds me of the thing of it. Is this almost it has this seems like it has like the strands in it. That's nice. But yeah, I wanted to get that. You know, I could probably get the thing out. This. So I want to see what it looks like. You guys should do this. And it's actually really nice quality, so. I have two of these. One in the Bushcraft Kelso cord. So I can pretty much use this. I'm going to test this out to see how good it is. I know I should be showing you this, but let's see. Let's see. I know this is sharp, so you can use this as a spear if you need to. I need to maintain this anyway. Okay. Yep, it's sharp enough. Let me find a paper. You see, I sharpen both sides, and it should be sharp enough. Yeah, you just lay this down like flat, and then just do like you probably do with a bucket knife. Let me get paper. Let's get a paper that can actually freaking. Oh god, I need to. I got some alcohol. Okay, so I found this. It's cardboard. It should do something. Oh yeah, it's definitely short. Do this. Yep, it's pretty short. So yeah. This is basically for fill sharpening and all that, so let me just get that off and put this back on. I need to sharpen this anyway, because like up here is the sharp end, so okay. They're starting to get sharp. Okay. Don't have anything to cut. Crap. Oh, let me find something. Let me see. Actually, let me back it off. Okay. A little bit of alcohol and some tissue. So I can. This is for fill sharpening, by the way. That's where they have it. But seems it'll like it'll work. Okay. It's this. Okay. And yeah, it's nice and clean. A little bit more, I think, but it's alright. On here, okay. Let me get this back. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay. That's for when I need to do a little bit. I need to do a little sharpening of it anyway. So yeah, sorry for the very long video. But yeah, nah. Yeah. Wait. This. Yeah, totally. Jump. You know, whatever the phrase is. I forgot. So let me get all this back in here. Yeah. No, I should do. But do I have? Do I don't? So there's jizz it. I gotta do that stuff. Okay. And yeah, for stainless steel, you can use isopropyl alcohol on it to clean it. I should actually do fill sharpening of this. Yeah, this needs fill sharpening, but I'll use a regular thing for it. So yeah. I should show. I do have a sharpening stone, so I can just do that. So yeah. Anyway, sorry for the stupidly long video, just for one thing. Here. Be careful though, because you can actually cut yourself easily. What the? Oh. Yeah, this is the... I don't remember where I got this at, actually. Oh, wait. Yeah, I do. I got it from the stocking, which, by the way, I was actually very happy with. Actually, let me see if this could cut easy too. How easy this cuts. This doesn't cut for nothing. It does, but it needs a little bit of sharpening. So, yeah. This is my food prepping knife, by the way. It's small and it fits into the bag. So why not? Right? So, yeah. Let's get all this back in. I was supposed to A kit in here, but I think I'm good off. Good off with just what I have right here for the kit. Yeah. Pretty nice. I gotta test this out too. I gotta find a rock or something. But yeah. So yeah, I feel safe carrying this. All in all. I did find the one. I'm trying to find my SOL Origins file kit. Trying to find that. Of course. But anyway. Peace.